welcome back to my videos where I unbox and I'm a hot mess. So, in today's video is my Witch's Roots box for October. I think it was like power was the theme of some kind. I don't remember. I really don't remember. So let's unbox this and see what we got. Witch's Roots is one of the 3 tiers they have, and I pay, I think with tax and everything, it's like $32. So it's like $28, $30, and then shipping and handling, something like that. It is on the witchesmoon.com, and it's part of Witch's Moon boxes. Witch's Moon is 50 something a month. But I only get the Witch's Roots, so without further ado, let's hop in it. Witch's Roots is one of those subscriptions that does say that it will give you every month some kind of incense, stone, oil, herb, and artwork, so, and then a talisman. So it is a variety, and you do get about that every month. So it is kind of worth it. It's kind of worth it. It is worth it. Oh my goodness. Words are hard. You always get one of these, and it tells you everything that's in it. I will save that to the very end. This month I got hands as for my art piece. There's a whole bunch of information on it. And then I got motherwort as the herb artwork, which I do collect these, and I have quite a bit of them. One day I'll have them like all in like a collage on my wall. It'll be great. Let's jump into this box. Ooh, and it's all laid out in a row, so that's kind of nice. The first off item I have is a purple candle. I do collect these candles. I don't actually burn them on camera. One day I will, but I don't right now. The next item I got is the oil, and the oil that I got this month is Samhain. I can never say that. Everyone always made fun of me because I could never say that. I always call it something like that, and then they say, no, this is how you pronounce it, and I'm like, you know what, it doesn't really matter. So it is got herbs and stuff inside of it, if you can see, which I'm sure you can a little bit. So that's nice, and it does have a really nice smell of it. It's real earthy this month, and that's nice. I sit on my oils together, so I'm gonna sit beside me instead of putting it in front of me. That way I know it doesn't spill. And this is my talisman. It is of the goddess with the triple moon, and it does say dream on the back, so it's like a coin. This month I've gotten necklaces, but the coin's good. I don't know which stone this is. This is really pretty opalex, kind of moonstone. But it's really pretty. I like the pink transparent bags. They were giving us colored bags, but the transparent bags are kind of neat. I got my motherwort is here. And it is a nice sized bag full. And then my incense is at the bottom. It's very earthy. And then my last item. Ooh, I like that. It's a rose quartz pendulum, and it's got rose quartz and beads all the way down it for you to be able to answer questions, yes, no, or scry with. So that's pretty. I do like how they didn't give you a little thing either to tell you what to ask it. And that is my box for this month. Let me pull this stuff out. The packing off to the side so I can better display it. I like the incense. And that is my witch's roost. Let's take a peek into this real quick and see what kind of stone that was. Oh. Motherwort, rose quartz, pendulum, pewter core, tumbled ore, rose quartz. That's what it was. But it does give you a lot of information. It is called the Guided Seer for this month. Howard, listen to me. Don't even know what I'm talking about half the time. And that is this month's box. For October. I do like it. I did enjoy unboxing for you. Make sure you check out the description if there's any box that I unbox that looks interesting to you. And yeah, as always, I appreciate you for stopping by. If you like watching me be a hot mess on camera, mess up words, make sure you like and subscribe. You can always shoot me a comment. And as always, I heart your face, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.